Hey guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make cheesecake stuffed crepes. How does that sound? I know. Before I do, I just want to show you, look what I just made. New microwave mug cakes, and they're apple cinnamon. 0 smart points on WW. How fantastic is that for all of you on Wellness That Works? Now, I just finished making my crepe recipe, so check that out, because it's super easy and delicious. You get 4 amazing crepes. This is how they look when you first make them, and then I like to roll them up. But then I thought, why not stuff them? And we can have our delicious cheesecake inside. So what you're gonna need, and this is super fast and delicious, you can double or triple this recipe, all right? It's versatile, okay? So you can make it like I do, and I'll just show you how they look. So they're already stuffed and made. So this recipe is super easy. So all you're gonna need is, I'm using 4 tablespoons of light ricotta cheese, and on WW, 1 smart point. So we're just gonna add that to just a small bowl. You don't need a big bowl. So 4 tablespoons. I'm using 1 tablespoon of 0-fat Greek yogurt. Okay, we're gonna add that. I'm using a ½ teaspoon of some ground cinnamon. I'm gonna put a splash of vanilla, because what's cheesecake without some vanilla? I'm using a tablespoon of my fruit monk sugar. I just buy that at the bulk barn, but you can buy whatever kind you want. You can use swerve, you can use truvia, stevia, you can use honey, agave, sugar-free, with sugar. It's up to you, but just to count it. So 1 tablespoon, and a splash of some lemon juice, of course. And you can use real lemon and even put some lemon rind in it. And I'm gonna put a little bit of pink Himalayan salt that I always add. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. That's the stuffing. So we're just gonna whisk it really well. And you know, if you want it sweeter, you can make it sweeter. I find 1 tablespoon is plenty. If you want it creamier, you want it smoother texture. I mean, it's quite smooth with 1 tablespoon of yogurt. But again, my recipes are versatile, so you can add what you want. If you don't like lemon, you don't have to add lemon. You don't like cinnamon, you don't have to add cinnamon. But I find that it gives it really nice flavor. So you just mix that up, bim bam boom. Really easy, okay? And that's it. Let's taste it, because tasting is really key. I just take my finger and taste it. That is super delicious. So I'm just gonna take, now this, you can use all of it for 1 crepe. You can use just a tablespoon. It depends what you want. Again, you can double, triple this recipe if you want to fill all the crepes. On my other video for the crepes, you get 4 crepes, so you might want to double or triple this recipe. So I like to just take like about a big heaping tablespoon. And some crepes are bigger, like, so if you make your crepes smaller, then you don't need to make more. Or, you know, you can make them bigger and then just use most of it. So it really varies. And then I just take my spatula, and I just like to spread it on my crepe. All right, like that. And then I'm gonna roll it up, and that's it. And then you can eat it, or you can add a little bit of some swerve icing sugar that I like to take and it just make it look really pretty, and just sprinkle that on top and on the plate too. Or you can take even a little bit of cinnamon as well if you want, just a drop to make it look pretty. It just makes it look fancy. And you have your cheesecake stuffed crepes, okay? And honestly, they are so yummy. You can see how thick or how thin you want it, because you know my recipes are versatile and easy. So I hope you love this recipe. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to check out all my other recipes. Tell other people about my channel. Comment. I love your comments and your questions. And remember, for more inspiration and motivation, you can go on my group, my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. All right. I love you guys and take care. Mwah. Bye.